My name is Linda Key, and I'm the CTE drama teacher and work-based learning coordinator at Fordham High School for the Arts in the Bronx. I started my career as a professional theater director in New York, and one of my most seminal experiences was directing a youth production of the Laramie Project with high schoolers that went to Edinburgh and won a Fringe First Award. It was then subsequently produced on the West End in London. I found a perfect convergence of my passions, working with youth and directing theater. So in the middle of my career, when I decided to go back into teaching and go to a high school, a public high school, it gave me a perfect opportunity to explore both of those things. Fordham's High School for the Arts allows our students to take core academic content and take their drama major every day for 4 years. My drama majors are amazing. They're passionate, intentional, committed, dedicated. Their work is extraordinary. I am so lucky to be at a school that celebrates the arts, and this is crucial today. The question that was posed to me was, why are arts essential? I will tell you why. I teach career and technical education at Fordham High School for the Arts, so this is an opportunity for me to teach both the business of theater and the art of theater. We are able to offer professional paid internships to our students to work at professional theaters in New York City. This also allows them to have confidence and build confidence, but it begins to allow them to see the possibility of a career in theater, either on stage or off stage. When I first started teaching, many of my students would go to see a show with me and they would say, "Where do I get to be in this, Miss Key? What part would I play?" They weren't necessarily seeing themselves reflected in the faces on stage. But in the last 10 years, we have seen such a shift in the diversity of our theatrical workforce. And this is why arts are important. We're getting students to say things that matter to them. We're going to be able to hear messages communicated from a variety of different cultures, a variety of different viewpoints. And this is the way that we're going to start to come together as a city and as a nation. Emboldening our students' voices is the most important thing we can do. I believe that the students will lead us. The students will tell us where we need to go next, and the arts are going to help them express their voices. Theater is essential for students because it allows them to express their hopes and dreams, their passions and their fears. And I literally believe that if we allow our students to communicate these things, we will be able to effect great change. If you think about it, most great theater artists have become great in moments of great historical movement or challenge. Think about Arthur Miller during the McCarthy era. Think about Athol Fugard during the apartheid era in South Africa. Anna Devere Smith during the race riots in Los Angeles. Theater artists have always been at the forefront of expressing the needs and the directions that a society must go. Art is going to allow our students to express these voices. These voices are essential. They will take our art, our city, and our nation to the next best place.